What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, as we've been more interested in things that are going on in a more kind of narrowed down position, right? One position we've been looking at kind of Shiba Inu and what was going to happen there. We're focused all there and we're not really focused on the rest of the market. Now, as all of this hype, all of this speculation and things are going back and forth, we can see out of the corner of our eye with our peripherals that the Shiba Inu market, or sorry, the cryptocurrency market is declining. It's falling pretty hard. Now, it wasn't something that was falling, as big. Like it was down maybe 0.9%, 0.6%, maybe 1% at one point. um, but then we started to notice, kind of right after that, Shibarium launch and everything started to happen for Shib and that falling down, Bone started to collapse from those levels. We started to see, what was on the outside. What was in our peripherals? What was on our 180 or 190 degree view plane, right? We can see that other cryptocurrencies are starting to fall. We can see that things are down a heavy amount and that the overall market is down to a way lower market cap than where it was, right? So I wanted to talk about cryptocurrency, right? This is where people are starting to panic, where we see the end of crypto is just a scam and nobody wants to be a part of it and all of this other stuff. And honestly, all of that stuff just creates more opportunity for a ton of people. But just to let you know, like, I'm not going to sit here and give you financial advice and tell you when to buy. If you want to decide to buy now, or you want to decide to buy tomorrow, or when it hits its absolute lows, if this is not the absolute low, then you can go ahead and do that. You can make that move if you want to. I'm not going to tell you to do it. I'm not going to tell you not to do it. I'm not going to tell you to sell everything. I'm just not going to give you that type of information. I'm going to give you any type of news that I have, and you guys make that decision. 90% of what the decision is of buying a position, 90% should be you guys. 10% should be all the information, not just me, right? It could be a lot of other people, news articles, all of that stuff. You get the information, you decide whether you're going to do it based off that information that you see, as well as the research that you do. So, anyways, let's talk about the end of crypto. Let's talk about cryptocurrency and how it is falling, right? Just know that it's not the end of crypto. I'll just come out and tell you that. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. Or you can just click the link down below. And another link would be for my Patreon if you want to join me there. Reach out to me there. I answer all my message on Patreon. So if you guys want to message me privately and just talk to me about portfolios or what I think about the market, or just have a standard conversation, with me, feel free to hit me up on Patreon and I will respond to you guys, and we can go back and forth. Sometimes it might be a little bit difficult today because I am traveling, but I also will have a lot of time in the airport. So um, yeah, make sure you guys message me, throw me a message my way. But anyways, let's talk about the crypto market because it is down a pretty significant amount. Now we're starting to see things climb back a little bit, so we may be at a little bit of a low at the time of recording this video. Things may get worse or get better depending on what type of news we have, what the overall market looks like and how it's trending, and maybe it's hitting a 200 EMA or a certain support level. But anyways, we can see here that the market is definitely red, right? Overall, it's down about 2.04%, especially from seeing it down yesterday. Continuation basically from yesterday. We're seeing it at a $1.13 trillion market cap. We have a recent memory of this being at a 1.18, or even a further memory of it being at 1.29 trillion when XRP was running up to about 94 cents. But now we can see XRP is at a much lower level than 94 cents. So seeing that difference from 1.29 trillion down to 1.3, you can kind of classify this as, maybe a lengthy crash. And what's happening right now, the crypto market has dropped from that, about 4 or 5 billion So that's a decent amount that it has dropped over, the last 24 hours. If we look at what's trending, you have CyberConnect, you have Cyber here, 17% down, X.com, 23% down, and Bone slash Shiba Swap here is 21% down, right? Now, scroll down here, we're going to see Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are around 2%, so around what the market is actually down. But a lot of other cryptocurrencies actually falling a little bit more. You can look over the last 7 days and how inherently red this overall market is. We're seeing Bitcoin down by 3.5% over the last 7 days. Ethereum down by 3.6% over the last 7 days. BNB 4.6% or 4.7%. XRP 7.4% or 7.5% if you want to round up. Cardano 7.2, 7.3%, Dogecoin 10%, 11% in the last 7 days. Solana 5%, Polygon 12%, Shiba Inu 10%, 6% or 6.5 in the last day. You can see Bitcoin Cash is down by 11%. If we look at some of the biggest losers for today, we only have a few biggest winners where we see Cosmos that's up a little bit. It's up to $8.15, which is still low. Looking at the last 7 days, it's still down. Not as bad as some other things. You can see Thorchain is actually looking pretty positive over 7 days, 24 hours, and the last hour. Really seeing majority of these gains within the last hour here. So definitely, take that for whatever it's worth. And you scroll down here, you're going to see that it starts to dwindle down very, very quickly. And hopefully, like I said, as we're recording this video, hopefully we can start seeing this bounce, and hopefully we can see things that, get back to maybe a little bit of a form of normalcy for where we have been with a $1.17, $1.18 trillion market cap. And this could be an overreaction of what we saw yesterday. But this overall title and everything may be an overreaction because it's always something that's supposed to, get clicks or the questions that come out. That's what I get is questions in the comment section. Is this the end of crypto? Is crypto going to meet its maker here? But anyways, that's where we stand with that. So what's really, why was crypto crashing? Well, we have a Forbes article here. Why is it declining? Notably, the current sell-off coincides with Binance, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, shutting down its regulated payment arm, Binance Connect. As the crypto trading platform spokesperson told crypto news platform Cointelegraph. Furthermore, GSR, a market maker and investment firm that has been active in the crypto sector for 10 years, had a five top level employees leave the company since late last year, including Chief Financial Officer Jonathan Hu, who was the most recent among the high profile departures. On top of that, crypto analytics platform Glassnode earlier observed a period of extreme empathy, and exhaustion in the Bitcoin market, with volatility measures and several key on-chain indicators reaching all-time low reading. As the company's note reads, the digital asset market continues trading within a historically low volatility regime, with several metrics indicating extreme apathy and exhaustion has been reached in the $29,000 to $30,000 range. A very boring, choppy, sideways market may remain. So indeed, Bitcoin remains below. So ultimately, it's not any like crazy major news, in my opinion, as I look at that, but it's something that they're trying to search for why, right? Why that is happening. And honestly, we're starting to see things that are maybe coming back a little bit. So it looks, I wouldn't say it looks amazing because we are looking at the top gainers here rather than, things that are number one, number two, number three by market cap. But if we look at some of the top losers, we can see that Shiba Inu coin is right up there. In the last hour, it has been making a move. So let's hope that we can see this thing push up. But honestly, to give you my opinion, I don't think it's the end of crypto. I think it's just a more of a bearish time in the market, and we will see things recover. And this just gives people, honestly, an opportunity to invest into what they wanted to invest into at a lower price. It's just so scary to invest in at a red time, because most people want to invest as things are bullish, which doesn't make sense to me. You always invest when things are low, and then you sell when things are high. But a lot of people do the opposite. They buy when things are starting to rise, and then as it gets to the highest point, they're like, all right, well, I'll hold on to my bag as it falls down from that highest point. And they don't average down, they don't buy in anymore. You buy when things are red, right? In investing, red means go and green means stop. When you're at a stoplight, do not do that. Don't say that you took advice from me and then I got this, this YouTuber said that red means go, so I'm going through the stoplight. Don't say that, because I might get in trouble. Anyways, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one.